Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix movies or TV shows on your device and watch them offline later. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. For this video, I'll be demonstrating the process on iPhone. Open Netflix app on your device. Search the TV show or movie that you want to download on your device. I want to download Lucifer, so I will open that. Here you will find download button below play button. If it's just a movie, then you need to hit the download button and it will start downloading the movie. In case it's a TV show or web series with multiple seasons and you want to download particular season, then you can use this drop down to select it first. Let's select season 1. You will get all the episodes. And if you want to download particular episode, then tap download button next to that episode. Or to download full season, tap on this download option on the right side labeled with season selected. Instantly downloading will start. Depending on the size of the episode and your internet speed, downloading will take time. Just like that, you can download any TV show and movie from the Netflix. To find your downloads later, just go to the top and tap download icon. All your offline content will be neatly stored and ready to watch anytime, even without Wi-Fi. If you have made up to this part of the video, then there is a pro tip for you. If you have low storage on your device, then instead of downloading the whole season, just download first episode of that show and then tap Smart Downloads and then toggle on Download Next Episode. This will automatically download next episode for you and delete the one that you have already watched. At any point you want to delete the movie or show, head over to Downloads and then swipe left and tap X. Or tap on the pencil icon and tap X next to the episode or movie that you want to delete. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you are all set to enjoy Netflix on the go even when there is no internet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how to content daily. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.